Good evening, guys. Bill McMillan here with IndyWX.com. A quick Thursday evening video update. Cold remains the story. Currently 12 degrees as of the 5 o'clock report in Zionsville, only 9 in Marion, 11 officially at Indianapolis, 16 at Camp Atterbury, 11 at Frankfort. You get the story. It's a cold, cold day across central Indiana. Before we take a look at the simulated radar and some of our forecast models, I did want to bring up our snowfall forecast map that we issued last night. This is provided by the IndySportsReport.com. Really, we think around an inch of wind-whipped snow can be expected for the city and just north. That will then increase to anywhere from 1.5 to 2 inches across north central Indiana, and then upwards of 3 to 5 inches once you get into northeastern portions of the state, where some lake effect will get involved later tonight and Friday. It's going to be very difficult to measure the snow. Winds are going to blow it about very easily. We'll have some drifting issues, more blowing and drifting concerns as we go through the day on Friday as well. So we still feel pretty good about our snowfall forecast that we issued last night, again provided by the IndySportsReport.com. Now, let's take a look at the simulated radar, and a burst of snow is going to be coming into the city over the next hour or two. Again, it's going to be difficult to really measure how much falls because of all the wind, but it's going to create some hazardous travel and lead to more blowing and drifting through the night. That will then be replaced with lighter snow showers, scattered snow showers around here overnight into early Friday. That should exit, and I think most of Friday will be a dry day. It's going to be another bitterly cold and windy day, though. Temperatures, for the most part, this is valid at 11 a.m. Friday, are going to be in the single digits. Now, we'll start probably somewhere around 19, 20 degrees around midnight. Temperatures will crash thereafter. Better part of the daytime will be spent in the single digits before falling below zero tomorrow night and Saturday morning. Wind chill values, once again, somewhere between 15 and 25 degrees below zero across central Indiana. Now, that sets the stage for what will be another winter storm potential Sunday evening into Monday. And we're taking a look at that latest 18Z GFS forecast model. And I don't, want to focus necessarily on the specifics of this run. We get the overall idea that moisture returns in here Sunday evening, most likely in the form of snow for central Indiana, but more of an icy mixture of sleet and freezing rain for southern portions of the state. And then as we move forward into Monday, snow probably continues the way we see things right now, at least for central Indiana, especially from I-70 and points north. More of an icy mix possible downstate with some icing concerns at least valid, at least with what we're seeing right now for southern portions of Indiana. Keep that in mind if you have travel plans Sunday night into Monday. I think an accumulating snow of potentially several inches looms for central Indiana Sunday night into Monday. Again, we'll fine-tune things with a forecast over the weekend in terms of some of our initial snowfall thinking, but right now it appears to be mostly a snow event for Indianapolis and just points north. Guys, that'll do it for the evening update. As always, be sure to log on to IndyWX.com for your latest forecast. Follow us on Twitter at IndyWX. We'll be back later on this evening with some more thoughts, at least moving forward into the longer term, later on this evening on IndyWX.com. Make it a great night.